And this will be the demolition object. It is yep, it is a Homelite 14-inch 33cc. I mean, we're talking heavy duty material here. It's kind of weak. Got my rope, Malone,
and me, and you.
And this is
the man.
Attire. Knife. You know, can't forget the knife.
Yep.
In case something bad goes wrong.
Right.
Rope.
Well, there's wild squirrels. Don't forget about the evil squirrels in the trees. They team up on you. Right. Take out the knife, slash them. Yeah. Right. Right. All right.
So.
I think it's time to attempt the climb.
First, we gotta start the chainsaw. Make sure that.
All right. We should get this on video because this is where Shane might pull his back out, and Amanda might get a good laugh on this one. So we'll see. If he's crippled, if he can't walk, and Amanda's giving massage therapy tonight. Oh, it's working better. Oh. Oh. What's wrong? Oh, there we go.
Alright.
Okay.
So.
You ready for the climb?
Alright.
Okay. Shane.
Let's hold on camera because I'm gonna need you to.
Alright, camera, cut.